Hello everyone, I'm going to be showing you how to make a presentation in Canva Pro. So as you can see, Canva Pro has a lot of capabilities. I use it a lot. These are some of my past projects. I used this every single day when I was teaching middle school. So first, we're going to go back to the top and we're going to click on Presentation. Create New. As you see, it's going to give us a blank template, right? We could do anything we wanted to it, but there are a ton of templates we can use. So these are some pre-made ones. I typically go with a pre-made template, but today we're going to make one from scratch. So first of all, if you would like to add text, click Text. And you can see, you can click add a text box. It'll give you paragraph text. You can change the font. I really enjoy fun fonts like this. Add a heading. And you just click on your tool to transform it. You can also resize your text like so by clicking it and dragging, or you can change your font size up here. All right. For design elements, you can pick a color palette. So let's go kind of autumnal right here. As you can see, it'll give you a color palette, a font. You can also change your font up here. I really like all the options. It also will magically recommend your fonts, and it typically has a different font for the heading and the paragraph text. If you would like to add more than this, there are a bunch of pre-made elements. Here are a lot of ones that I've recently used. You can generate an image with AI. I typically don't do that. But let's say with like flowers. The little crown right here means it is included with Canva Pro, but you will need Pro to utilize features with a crown. So, as you can see, I've chosen this floral image, and let's resize it. We don't want it in the way of our paragraph text. Sometimes resizing it can be a little tricky if you don't want to cut off images, but this is where it goes, and it will typically recommend graphics based on what you've already chosen. So, as we can see, it's given us a bunch of similar flower templates. So let's add another page. We've gotten our same background color, and which we can change up here. And here are the colors already in the document up here, and some of the colors that are in our decoration. So I'm going to choose this sage green, and some more of the suggested graphics. And again, you don't have to do this from scratch. A lot of times, if you choose a template, it will already have graphics in them, but you can take them out if you like. And you can also comment on your graphics if you're collaborating, lock position, and you can duplicate by clicking right here. So now we have 2 of these flowers, but I think that's too many. To delete, you can just use the trash can. And when we click on these three arrows, you can copy, paste, duplicate, align to page, and all sorts of things. You can even animate images in your presentation, which I think is really cool. So we're going to click on our image that we want to animate, click animate, and if we go to the menu bar, it will give us quite a few options. So you can have it pop in, you can have it brush, which I think is very fitting. So I'm going to select this animation. I'm also going to apply it to the other image on that page. So now here's our title, and when we go over here, it will be animated. So that is quite a few of the basics of Canva Pro. It's really user-friendly, very intuitive. I highly recommend this software. Thank you.